Katoria Zindariama. Limani Adaria. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the Son of the living God. Lema Sumri in Dariakaya. Onyamiti asifo ba Yesu. Alenda aken Ariaba Sumri in Dari. Hey! Unreversible. Maybe. And now when I bet you come in person on me. So Opa, don't be you can never control the Holy Spirit. I did Benjamin for. He is the owner of this world. It's in open on any. A motor from Timmy control most. Robert said Hong Kong yet. Hong Kong person maybe and never cost us. Now, God
bless you, Father.
Also,
we are proud of
you. Your motive for business.
Original.
I am Dominic.
Yes.
And in the Ababa program, Dominic echo that prison. Ababa one Yadi from that do we?
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba Edibaga and Sam TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebitima kabi. Now so watch the wagin or comment section was a say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofen apeso boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in Sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no. I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or my bimu, Addo more rebellious politicians, now of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Honorable Erikopoku, Honorable Collins, and Pennyful could have no more. Remember, me Jenkins TV radio so no famous Opa, Cesaria, and Yamama. Or my answer will be this Kakabania AC. Nobody made Dr. Mwakun to go for Kwao, actually said Dr. Mwakun as the video tour as a Dimatam as a good. Not they were shocked. They were extremely shocked because when NDC being will be to my country and say NDC Papa, my phone a friend said a comment to me and I'm watching to one. Me near big that. Dr. Mwakun go for one office. When I call that, that's why they obey the army defending. I'm a positive, TV show. I'm a profile. Oh, people have a video for me. Money show. Every other dance here. I say, all those say, me come office that. All those say, I didn't say, me wouldn't Nyame. This is the best now. Me defending and I'm praying anyway. Papa, me a businessman. It is so the tour. Me found quite a political party. I will see more. Say, oh, mommy, deal. Now we say, now me say, I'm about the MC Keke. Now MC now me about the oh, mommy, she came would do. So I'm was telling me, say, mommy, quite MC Nana. So be more 10,000 so local festival. Bra, never be MC. Now Amoako was telling me, say, we must have come to because of NDC. No, I love and respect NDC. Me, I'm saying, and yet NDC, I'm coming more prison. Because in whole polytechnic, me no many instances phone kata. And the whole program on baby, I'm in Kobe. And so, the assembly told me so. Say, molestation of nursing training ladies, many Kobe. They say, Obia Janijame, apart from NDC for the big Chinamachi, Mustafa Bando, Deputy General Secretary, Aisha Al Hassan, I say, Zandigame Papa, when the baby called Ludwig Anway of youth organizer at that time. Mr. Kanago, Deputy Voter Regional Minister, almost 20 animals from and a part every name answer and some are something called Majaka is a calculator attempt to defend my character. And she, any respect and woman and you know, you know, also could be for Kujika or one of the idea. What I said, but and yet, oh, and I'm walking in my temple center and then about animals, Buddha, and the former friend, and yeah, and Omaaka, no more TikTok life, and dear, I'm walking in the Diamond. Papa, then ya and ya the papa. Why name you to cruise 7 years and shall be water papa? Maybe ya and ya, and to probably ya, my dear fair. Now, I say, how are you? 18 crown, Miss Papa Kura, as a Papa Okra, we are mini Papa. Opa, one of the greatest men of God. Yes, it is you are a crowd. You want to power here.
And okay.
What the Papa? Oh, did my damn no woman you want to say, never we are at your fair. I can say no, my say, I do and I never bring my. Yeah. I said, oh, dear, my terminal flight center. And yes, me, the Biamica, may say, in 2020 election, I saw Tonkas, Santa runabout. Obey my dance here. And now you can't go and Chabu Samu, you can't NDC vote. You can't NDC vote, I'm not Triera. Me and the Miki, Tiki, and the Obi, Sojani, or the tweet at the bomb, my bow NDC, my bow from 2020 to this time. Oh, Papa, NDC need be a year. Papa, Munya, Mubia dance, Papa, they are not the morning show. Papa, I don't know who's the morning show. Yeah. The whole Ghana, when the book has been telling a video or morning show, so apart from the Elizato. Threatening it. A bit threatening, and one video, my sentiment about capital, we don't know what quiet to him, what I have. And for 30 men, I'm very and so, oh, Napo video, no. Yes, no, it's tribalism, the memo, but no consent panel, never. Nobody who to show being one catcher of the video I want to number to me by the program to practice my child. As for Corimampo, the NDC, to my Dr.Frank Amoako school, near anymore, or one anymore lawyer, Amankwa, Judge Anna, Honorable to say to me, in 2016-17, Papa, who would the Gelante group now, Judge and Fee, 18 money man or Casano? Yeah. I am men and the choir empty, so toy as Coramampo, my one person. Honorable to say to me, Musano, Minamu, and I'm the Bergman, as you Coramampo. Obit me, Catherine, me, Dr.Frank Amoako, and Ahoya. Papa, they were home, and lawyer Bapo Ewa, our Menshia South MP. After me catcher, we say, Opera me back, Name Babe MC, Edema Omo Bay program, a very local festival. And Papa, or can't answer man. Many things come up beside say a political program, and also would there be any political program. Then, Momono, a programmer or more year. Send a bear, will be in Kumasi here. If you say, and Yabako book Kumasi will be in a solo, I'm the Solukuno a and the Obey Soluku Festival. On no crowd my warning, say, yeah, MC Snipe Bano. And you can say, politician be a crab bass, yeah, your body, and the program, no, and your political program, although a member of parliament. Oh, Mesha, but before you be. Send a bear ash down, cool from the baby with you almost easy on Benya Bibi at the Addo money. And see, so local festival, eating competition, also, Sansuna cooking competition. I am a memo, our mobile basis city, as a different St. Louis Senior High School, a different other senior high school from Monwadiane or Munyabi Shire, and it was sponsored by Nestle Ghana Limited at the market. Casapreco Company Limited, and so they are weak by Obipini Black Man, a Jabaji was Chief Executive Officer of the Jabaji, who company Kutamopaya, as a performer Bobra Ketcher, Agro Chemical, Dr. Caesar, not Adena F. Yepa, musicians be performing was here. Now you say YP Mo J-Bad Kukuflick said now the name massive, beautiful and successful. Now Obi Nimseme the Yemi MCA Ayana Libu Atupa. Ha Adi Ankofobi Bredin the walk off from the seven Rabbi MCA. No, I can't say the pastor about no want to pa or balance on the account. Even the great man of God. Papa, Emma, yes, why a for me. Pay MC, I to pay me the Kakra more. Now, Yansam Kitwa. I'll pay a program now. Where I say, Frank Amoako, Dr. Frank Amoako, our Ashanti Regional Minister. After video, no, I aqua to TikTok and also the Hurme, with tea, ya, a coy and atom, and Yansam Kitwa. Would the attempts are call me foolish, call me strong. And someone or TikTok live, let me just show me. I say, it be a terminal number more kind and then Yassam Kitwa. But Papa, my father Yassam, the following day, or say, I said, why you're not just what the member woman you played the Matama attacking me, and I'm eating. Coffee, Mr. Okoka said, Ubi Pisan question of Okoka said, Maybe I saw Yan Kubino. And I see I in answer Yadumudono. The pastor don't say, or more quiet, a quiet and question program, and Okubu, you must not say, I'm say I'm walking a Wayatra line. Because you're
Regional Minister.
Down, or more ash down, and put a cook down. Amoako program media, then Yassam Kitwa. And he said, all those the Regional Minister, I respect and love you. Papa, nobody, no journalist in Ashanti region has defended NDC more than me and Lizanta Papa Menoka says. Nobody, and all the big wigs who are pressed to it. Me, NDC, dear no back at me say, my year program a mano, and I'm a single man against Gada, in in 2024, and my President Mahama, and me call, Ahafo, NDC executive, me call Ahafo, me call President Mahama fundraising. We raised almost 20 billion for President Mahama. President Mahama can say, you deserve a special package. So, Daddy, Papa, because executives now have 5,000. Coming from Papa, to many areas. That's as one cannot see people could be watching. Honorable Julius Debra, Honorable Eric Opoku, Honorable Collins, and Pinifo.
With all due respect to all Christians, I can sit here and say, per my own opinion, and on my own authority say, 99.9% of church today is a scam. Especially the so-called prophetic churches. 99.9% of them are scammers. They are looking, you see, they intimidate us. They abuse the Bible. They abuse the doctrine of Christianity to, as it will, enrich themselves. Now, say people go to sit under such people, and say I crossed the age of 40 near Chile, and some maybe who say church is a scam, right? And you see,
and you turn it to be a scam.
Obia nene nyankopon na bayo nti na ye na ye mfi ye from back obia wo nyame obia wo angel odi na chi. As I sit here, never again would I go and sit under the feet of anybody to tell me who God is. And say me dware anopa na ma shata dey say me kwasoro me be ko jogging.
Hey.
Oh yes, it was in my life.
Oh, I think
so church has intimidated African people. Church has made us poor. Church has enriched a few.
No, but the fact
so for Penny Lawrence 2024, can be a Catholic Bishops Conference say, Woman Yatrum, and Woman Kasa and for LGBTQI plus and a fine go see him. Sadiana ye chua dear, as I said, you're sorry, Emma or can say, some Penny Kufado and science have been one. Obesim pam on one man demonstration. Obesim Ediaco seat of government, actually, man Penny Kufado say. This nonsense must stop. Sabokai. And then there's of Penny Lawrence that what's the name? In fact, LGBT Nyawanism. One Kasa, we know. As all Cotanasi. Why what Tanasi? Now what Bissau who say? What be sound who passing their some wa kan ye. Wa hunimu, wa dwinimu, wa disuamu, ontiasiemu. Sir President Akufo-Addo na tie kunwa so se Ghana mambenia. Enka de wo kan no nure. Sa na obeka no ana. De wo kan no nura no. Enka sa na obeka. Me ade ba kwa me mpekra wo me radio adwuma ama ye nyina mu ne se. Me mpese me ka sofo bia ho asem. Asofo asem me mpeka kra. It's very uncomfortable for me. Me nya ade ameka kra. But say wo nyame kwan na wo de ato ho no. Sa wo so ye sofo. Na wo beka no kra kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese muhu no kra wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni